Laundering with a washing machine. Let's begin with the checking of the condition of the electrical plug and wires. Prepare the laundry items and wear protective equipment. Place the items for laundry. Make sure that you will separate the white laundry from the colored laundry. Check the weight of the bundle and ensure that the weight does not exceed the capacity of the washing machine. Load the items in the washing machine. Turn on the washing machine and select the appropriate settings for water level, washing time, rinsing and spinning cycle. Then remove the clothes and put them on the laundry or using the laundry basket. And turn off the washing machine. Clean the filter of the dryer, check the drum, and wipe dry if necessary. Load the laundered items in the dryer and select the appropriate drying temperature. Then remove the dry clothes. Always separate the colored clothes to the plain clothes. After rinsing, transfer the clothes to the dryer. Then switch on the dryer. Now, washing the colored clothes. After rinsing the colored clothes, put it on the dryer.